protocol.
No, I think it's the best.
It is definitely the best.
Thank you for being here.
Our plan today was to come in here and take this table, which was the first thing we built when we first moved in, and take it apart and turn it into something.
Or are we too attached to it? And should we not do that?
Okay, flip it onto its push.
I love it. I love that.
Okay, so far, not looking so bad.
Is it crooked? Here. Okay, so we worked on the table. Now I'm walking in the street and trying not to get hit by a car. And we're gonna go get some ramen. Yes.
Wait, am I recording?
I think so.
Yes, I am. Okay, so we
We have a bench.
we have a bench, and we don't have a table anymore. We used all the original pieces,
Including the screws.
including all the screws, and we kind of turned it into like an amalgamation of our table. It is now like a like our table folded. I'm pretty happy about it. What do you think?
I mean, I think it's extremely comfortable. I like that it has like more of a statement because it's so big. My original trepidations of destroying the table actually also felt like more pressure to make something good. But once we started taking the screws out and seeing the pieces, it actually was like a fun and liberating process to like not destroy but rebuild into something new.
Came together nicely. Here you go.
Yay.
The Meta Haiku Bench 2.
Bench 2.